welcome to Vlogoween day 3. So my boyfriend's in the shower right now, so I'm gonna be very quiet. But yeah, so I don't know what we have planned today, but I will share my day with you guys.
Did it all wrong. She's like,
You always like great deal, and sometimes you need a Twitter. Can't believe it.
What? I don't have time. I guess my family does. I'm asking my friends and family to support our relationship.
I don't know why I took that chance.
The 90 days is over. I'm truly blessed.
That we were waiting for paperwork and that we had the time. And every place on the street just sold chicken. I just put it outside, I was sick. I don't really want to get into what people because that's more like adult business, but it was pretty major. Let's do it. At this point, I can't even really see a future. Like, I'm just really taking it one day at a time.
Enjoy. It tastes very just for you. I delicious sausage biscuit and golden hash brown. 1,000% sure.
It was all false. That didn't sound like 1,000%. We've had our flights, but we're making it work. Now we're ready for the chapter in our lives.
today is the day that you're being joined.
So the retail on this is $300,000.
I think the ring shows how much he loves me. If he proposed to me with some cheap ring, I think I'm not.
Beat calcium buildup with CLR Clear and fight the clean fight.
Someone's being sweet today. Banana. Are you happy? Are you happy? Mr. Eddie! Good boy, Eddie! Alright, so I'm leaving my boyfriend's house now. It is actually my birthday today. I'm sorry I really didn't film very much at all yesterday. We were just kind of like celebrating like my birthday since I have to leave and he works today. So it's about 9:18 in the morning today. So yeah, pretty much yesterday. I'll just do like a really quick recap since I really didn't film much, but we ended up going to have lunch, and I had my favorite food ever, which was Chinese food. So we went to a Chinese food place, and I ate way too much, but I really enjoyed it. Then we were so stuffed, we decided to kind of go on a little walk, kind of at the little park there. Looked like there were a lot of people there. It's just like this tiny little town park, but they were having like, I guess I don't know, kind of looked like a family reunion kind of thing. So we didn't stay too long. We just kind of walked a few laps around the little park and enjoyed the beautiful weather. It's so nice. I feel like there's just not many days like that. And so whenever you get like a really nice day, you just gotta enjoy the weather while you can, because especially in fall time, I feel like those nice days only come like, I don't know, for 2 weeks and then they're done. So yeah, after we walked around at the park a bit, we went just like kind of on like just a little drive and stuff. It was really nice. It was a pretty day. Going to the grocery store and getting some stuff for dinner because we cooked some wings, and we ended up just getting like a little pizza to cook in the oven, and that was really good. So yeah, then we just kind of came home. We just lounged around a bit, watched like 90 Day Fiance, which I love that show. We just like randomly started watching it a little while ago, and I've been hooked, and we haven't watched it in a while because we only watch it when we're together. So we finished up a season of that, and it was actually the first season we've ever watched, but we like started randomly in the middle because I was trying to find a specific season, and the internet told me it was this season, but it clearly wasn't. But it was a good season anyway. It's the one with George and Anfisa, Chantel and Pedro, Nicole and Azen, and who else? Mark and Ala. So it was that season that we watched. And then last night, right before we went to bed, we just started season 5, I guess, the one after that one. And didn't even make it through the whole episode because I just fell asleep. But yeah, we just really kind of relaxed yesterday, and again, it was just me and him, so I kind of felt weird about like trying to vlog and stuff, but I did like film a couple little clips. We basically just, you know, went home, relaxed for a bit, cooked dinner, and watched a football game, and we played one of like my favoriteest games ever, and I didn't even know about this game until I met my boyfriend. And they call it marbles, and it's like this little marble board, and it's kind of like the game Sorry, if you've ever played that. Is it Sorry or Trouble? I can never remember which one, but it's very similar to one or both of those games. But yeah, he gets so competitive when he plays, and he's like he's pretty good at it. He is pretty good. But anyway, so we were playing marbles. It was a really heated game, and he just, gosh, we were going back and forth, and it always happens this way. We come down to the very end of the game, and we're like neck and neck, and it was literally just a race for us to get our last marble back in the home space. And
Yeah.
you had one more go.
Oh, that was it?
No, you had one more roll because you had a 6.
Oh. There goes the cat. There goes the cat.
We'll see who wins.
Yeah!
Woo! Almost had it, but he beat me, and of course he loves to gloat when he beats me. He's just so competitive when it comes to that game. But that was really fun. We hadn't played that in a while, but that's just a really fun game. And like I said, I didn't really know about that game until he had showed me when we started dating, and now it's like one of my favorite things to do. They made their own little marble board. It's just, I don't know, it's one of those little family things that is just really fun. And I love playing, like when we all play together, it's really fun. So yeah, after that, we had dinner, we watched the game. We ended up starting a little fire outside. Ooh, I look like an alien in this light. I don't know what that is about. But we're gonna start a little campfire and burn down some of this firewood. Banana, you look so scary in this light. Now that's a fire.
Hey, Eddie.
Just felt so nice. We had a little bit of a fallen tree limb that made pretty good firewood, so we just burned a little fire, and that was so nice and cozy. Not too cool where you're freezing, but then like having that warm fire. Oh, I love this time of year for stuff like that. So yeah, we had a little fire, and then my boyfriend wanted to set off a firework for me for my birthday. Happy birthday to me! He loves doing that. He always gets these like really big like fireworks, and he'll save them up all year and like use them for like a little special occasion. And he wanted to light one for my birthday, so that was really, really sweet. I love when he does like little romantic gestures like that. Oh, it like makes my heart melt. It was so sweet, and I love when he does that.
So you just do that.
Be calm. What's gonna happen when you stop? Okay, now take your hands off. Yeah, and pretty much after that, we started watching this other show on Netflix. It's kind of like a spooky show. We only got like not even all the way through the whole first episode. We're very bad at starting stuff and never finishing it. But it was called The Haunting of the Hill House. I think that's what it is. It's on Netflix. It looked really interesting though, but he started falling asleep and I didn't want to watch it by myself. So yeah, I definitely want to revisit that. Okay, so I'm not going to be able to fix my camera very well. It's literally just precariously perched on top of my little dashboard and stuff. So I think I'll just wrap up this part here and just say, yeah, so I had a really good weekend. I'm sorry I didn't vlog very much at all. Hopefully I have like enough stuff when I edit the video today to see if I can even like put together a whole video of stuff. But I am really excited to get home and celebrate my birthday with my mom now. And I think we're gonna go out to dinner tonight. Just maybe get like a little cookie cake or something, I don't know, but excited to go see her. And yeah, so I had a really great weekend with my boyfriend again. Kind of the vlogging thing was really hard, especially since this was like the first like week of Vlogoween. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like I said, I don't really know how much I have to upload, but I will try to do better and film more stuff, especially since I'll be home all week. I'll be able to vlog a little bit more without feeling as self-conscious, but yeah, so yeah, that's pretty much it for right now. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed.